Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to use connectors like Gmail or Slack inside your organization using the easy method. This is a great way to link your everyday communication systems on your current setup session so your smart writing assistant can share notes safely with your team channels. Step 1. Open your central configuration menu. The first step is to open your regular internet browser window, log into your main chat assistant profile, and head straight into your main configuration panel. Move your mouse pointer to the top left corner of your screen workspace, click once on your company organization name icon, scroll down the choices, and click on the row that says Settings. Watch for your Master Management dashboard to open flat against your background view, displaying all your general system categories. Because your computer application separates its standard chat lines from its outside data connection tools, you must enter this specific administrative panel to unlock your link choices. Without this step, your option to tie into your outside corporate profiles will stay completely hidden away in the background. Step 2. Enter the Dedicated Integrations and Connectors room. Now, you need to slide down your left side choice lists to find the specific folder block where the system manages its outside software links. Move your cursor over to the left menu bar running down your screen canvas rows, locate the option labeled Integrations or Connectors, and click on it once with your main mouse button. Review the display grid that pops open in the center of your screen view, showing off row after row of standard company tools available for connection. Because every company uses a different set of tracking logs and message boxes, this specific room holds all the built-in communication pathways in a simple, straight line. Entering this panel allows you to view the available connection bridges so you can pick your exact target tool. Now, you need to locate your specific daily team application from the visual grid list and click on it to open up the Internet Safety Pass form. Look across your screen canvas rows, locate the row labeled Gmail or Slack, move your mouse over to the button next to it that says Connect or Add, and click it once. Watch for a fresh, secure login window to drop onto your screen view, asking for your external profile permission pass. Because your private mailrooms and team chat boxes are locked up tight behind internet walls to protect your safety, by clicking this connector link, you're telling the assistant tool to start an official handshake with that outside program warehouse. It creates a secure digital tunnel between your writing sheets and your actual workplace messages. Type your username and secret code inside the security box, click the button that says Allow Access or Authorize, wait 3 seconds for the validation wheel to spin on your screen canvas rows, and watch the status turn to active. And that's it. To invite team members to your Claude organization, you must first click your organization profile at the top left and open your Settings on your screen panel on your screen canvas rows. Then, you move your mouse to the left menu bar to click into the Integrations and Connectors room on your screen canvas rows. Next, you look across the application grid to find your target tool like Slack or Gmail and click the Connect button to open the link window. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.